In line with the Honorable Minister's vision of a TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, a high-level review meeting was convened today under the chairmanship of the Principal Secretary Health and Medical Education Ladakh to deliberate on strategic interventions for eliminating tuberculosis from all the panchayats across the Union Territory. The meeting was attended by the Mission Director of NHM Ladakh, Director Health Services, Deputy Commissioner Leh, Additional Commissioner Revenue Kargil, Chief Medical Officers and District TB Officers of Leh and Kargil, along with the other key health officials. Today, Chairman and Chief Executive Councillor of the Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council, Kargil, Dr. Mohammad Jafar Akhun, laid the foundation stone of the state-of-the-art finance complex at Kurbathang. The foundation ceremony witnessed the presence of several senior officials, including the Additional Deputy Commissioner Imtiaz Kachu, Councillor Abdul Wahid, Chief Controller Finance, Chief Planning Officer, Executive Engineer R&B and other dignitaries. Chairman and Chief Executive Councillor of LAHDC Kargil, Dr. Mohammad Jafar Akhun, convened a meeting today to discuss the upcoming summer vacation schedule for the schools across the district. Following the detailed discussions, the CEC instructed the Chief Education Officer to issue the summer vacations order in the coming days, aligning with the conclusion of the ongoing school examinations. The summer break is expected to begin soon after the exams end, is anticipated to provide essential relief during the peak heat season. Commercial activity resumed in Leh on Wednesday evening after the 35-hour shutdown by the Merchant Association Leh, protesting alleged unfair trade practices by the Srinagar-based Mir Sales Corporation. Local traders accused the firm of undercutting the prices and threatening small businesses. A meeting chaired by LAHDC Leh CEC Tashi Gyalsan led to a temporary resolution, with Mir Sales agreeing to suspend retail operations in the Leh for 10 days pending inquiry. The company defended its pricing as consumer-friendly. The traders seek a long-term solution balancing the fair competition with protection for the local businesses. As Bihar prepares for the upcoming elections, the Election Commission of India told the Supreme Court that Aadhaar cannot be used as the proof of the Indian citizenship. This follows a wave of complaints from the citizens whose names were missing from the revised voter lists. Many attempted to use Aadhaar to validate the citizenship, only to be denied. The Election Commission of India stated that neither Aadhaar nor voter ID is among the 11 acceptable documents to prove citizenship, which now include items like a driving license. A petition has since been filed in the Supreme Court, prompting the legal scrutiny. In Ladakh, the death anniversary of the revered religious scholar and jurist Ayatollah Sheikh Ali Elmi Brolmo was solemnly observed at the historic Kadimi Imam Bargah, located on the line of control in the collaboration with the village committee of the Handarmo block. The program was graced by the presence of the Sheikh Ali Musa Irfani, a respected logic cleric, who served as the chief guest. In the keynote address, Sheikh Irfani reflected on the religious and social contributions of Ayatollah Brolmo, praising his pivotal role in spreading Islamic teachings and guiding the community with wisdom and justice.